Driving down the road that I grew up on once again.
All right, I was driving along and look who I found. Hi! We met Adrenal and Jackie out here with the dogs and we're gonna camp tonight. Not sure where, but yeah, it's a beautiful day. This is a nice little area and the dogs are just having a great time. Odin.
He looks so clean.
He is clean. I just got him groomed.
Watch out, there's dogs.
Odin, you happy? So many dogs. All right, so we just got back to the parking lot. We're going to, I'm gonna eat a little snack and then we're gonna head on down the road to our campsite. This is a beautiful spot. Pretty hot already though. I'm guessing it's probably like 85 degrees out here. So, gonna pack up the dogs here soon, let Odin dry off a little bit and then, yeah, head on down the road. Odie, what are you doing? Lay down. All right, so we've got the dogs all packed up and we're gonna head on down to Tecopa. I always love finding historical markers like this because where I was an exit point for Harry Wade and the Sand Walking Co., which was a band of 100 wagons who crossed Salt Lake City a little too late in the season, but they needed to get to California to find some gold. And he found this route which leads right through to those wetlands, and he was able to save the lives of himself and his wife and children. Pretty neat. Alrighty, we're gonna head down the road. I see Adrenal and Jackie. I try to drive a little bit slower than normal just to make sure. Yeah, We're gonna head on down the road and head to Tecopa. All right, let's go. All right, we're gonna go scope out the miner's tub. It's super windy here, but it's a nice evening.
I heard someone else's dog barking over there, like,
Odie.
you can open that window, it looks so dirty.
It's okay. I might have to make. All right. A little bit too windy out here to have the GoPro out here in the time lapse. There's just sand everywhere. Gonna go hang out inside for a little bit.
I can flip on the light.
No, it's okay. I'm just gonna do some B-roll. I think the title of my video is slowly changing to like. Alright, we are up for the day. It was windy and cold last night. I'll insert a clip right here. But the sky is pastel and beautiful this morning, just like it always is here in Tecopa. It is cold, but I've got one more thing to do. I'm going to go soak in the hot springs before I actually say goodbye to Tecopa. I had a wonderful time with Adrenaline Jackie and her pups. We had a nice time exploring the desert, but now it's time for me to go. All right. I will see you guys in the next video. And if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button. And I have a link to Adrenaline Jackie's videos or channel in the description below. Go check her out, and I will see you next time. All right? Bye.